Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In the additional, not in the weekend edition, no, it's the edition of Friday, April the 26th, 2024. Because yesterday, on Saturday, it's actually today, Sunday. Yesterday, it's King's Day. It was King's Day, yes. There's no newspaper on King's Day. Alright, so I've decided today to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. I've already solved the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 844, no, 444, well, 8444. Before I start, I always count with printed digits. This one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, so I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes. Maybe it's a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. It's indicated with the 1 star. Okay, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me check. For triple boxes contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box. The 1 and the 3 is already given, so the other 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 4. Here a quarter box in the L shape. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 5 is already given. If you see a L shape, a quarter box in the L shape, then the inside box should be always a 5. Oh, wait, no quarter boxes anymore. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, the L shape. Alright. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Okay, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, alright. 2 numbers left here, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Well. Okay. These 3 boxes around one can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then let me see. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 4, we already have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, then I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row, in this area for number 2. We have a double 4 here. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2 then. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1. It's in the same area. Can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Alright. And now. Let me think. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 4. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Yeah, definitely a 4. Let me think. 1, 2, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes around 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Mark those 2 boxes in with the 1, we have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, is connected with that box should be so 1. I've marked this box with a 1, so it's not a solution, place 1 there. Otherwise this box should be also a 1. We already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. It's connected with that box should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. One is 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area supposed to be there. Mark those 2 boxes over the 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then this box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so 1 is left in this area for numbers 4, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, definitely a 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, really. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.